How to connect Badoo with Facebook or Google? First, open Badoo app on your phone. Log into your existing Badoo account. From the login page, you will see options like continue with phone, continue with email, continue with Facebook, or continue with Google. You can continue with Facebook. To continue with Facebook, tap continue with Facebook and enter your email and password, or a pop-up will appear. Tap continue to keep Badoo access. If you are continuing with Google, tap on it. Tap your Gmail account and you will enter directly into your Badoo account. Your Badoo account is now linked. You can now log in faster using Facebook or Google. Recover your account more easily if you forgot your password. And here's a tip. If you created a Badoo account using Facebook or Google originally, it may already be connected automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.